friends, welcome back to my channel. And today planning to do some kind of small gifts for the teachers, and I made 2 of these albums before, and I used the Eco Pass Jingle All the Way collection for these 2. And now for this one I'm planning to make something else. I don't know what I'm making, so let's jump into the things. Let's see the paper. And you know what I love about all these papers are so coordinated that you don't have to think anything. You're gonna get the best result, whatever paper you use. So I'm gonna put that aside. Let's go through the paper. These are double-sided papers, so you have these flowers and Christmas. I'm gonna put these papers aside so that we can create something. Look at this, Santa with the gift, such a nice thing. Ho ho! And these are the Christmas squirrels and snowflakes and trees. We're gonna put this aside. Awesome, huh? And then these trees, so one is very muted and other is like popping things going on them. I'm gonna put this aside. Nice gifts and triangles, plaided. I always love plaided. Oh, and then this, very nice. And then this one, and definitely one sticker sheet. So let's jump into the process. We will not make it complicated, we're gonna make it simple. I'm gonna cut all of these strips, and then we can use these strips for decorating something like on this side. And you know, you can use this one also, like Jingle All the Way. This is from the previous one. The same way we can do this. I'm gonna cut all of these together, like wherever these marks are, so that we can create some nice stuff out of it. So I'm gonna put those aside. And these are our stickers. Stickers are always fun and easy to decorate the stuff. And same for this. I'm gonna cut all of these strips from here, and then I have to choose 2 of them. Look at this. Wow, how beautiful this plaid is. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna keep that aside. And then we have to choose 2 of them for the base of our. So what we will do, I think these gifts and Christmas tree, I'm gonna put this aside. This is quite a neutral one. This flowery one is kind of a bit too much, I think. I don't know what to say. And this, okay. So I will put this aside. And with these 2, we're gonna create the album. And we will cut all of these. So what I will do, particularly for these 2, if you don't watch the previous one, I'll just first cut out from here, and then I will cut them in, oops, then I will cut those. Where are my scissors? Okay. In 6, so I will get 12 by 6, I think. Now you can make a little tiny one also, like you can make a 4 by 4 out of 12 sheet. But what happened when we use this 6 by 6 theme, you can put your photos, like 4 by 6 photos looks good on 6 by 6 in my opinion. And you have to easy way to, you know, print the photos. Because what happened whenever I'm gifting these albums, those who are non-crafters or those who don't know much about scrapbooking or using this, it is very easy for them to stick the bigger photos without thinking much and create their own thing. So that is the main thing. I do that. So now it's time to stick. Now one thing, you can stick like this and create 2 pages on and off. Another thing, you can stick those on and off and stick all them together, or you can mix match, that you can go ahead and stick one of these with this one. Now you have to see that how it's gonna look with front and back, and it's gonna look great. So I will put this here. Then I'm gonna put little bit of glue also, and then I will line up. I try to line up it as much as I can. Okay, so this is our one sheet. Now we're gonna create another one. So what we will do now, here I will put this thing. So I have 4 designs, like this green, this, and I will show you in this side. So I'm gonna put glue here. I didn't put the tape, so I will put tape on this side, and then I'm gonna put that just kind of lying it properly. And then I will just put this here, and then I'm gonna put again the glue, and then I'm kind of lining up these. Sometimes it will not line properly, it's okay. So now we have this pattern, then this red pattern, then this gift pattern, and then this. So I need to fold them, but I will not fold them. Let them dry for some time, and then we can use those. So now I'll speed up the process for cutting those and creating some mat out of them. This is not very major one thing. This is the very quick thing we are doing here. And why we are doing this quick thing is like I have to make lots of them and I don't have much time. So but still they're gonna look nice, don't worry. And it's really nice to give this kind of handmade gift to someone. So, and always see that people always appreciate the love and the feeling you do behind something. So other things doesn't matter. So I'm going to speed up the process now.